How to deactivate your Tinder account without deleting. Let's get started. Launch your Tinder app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on this one option given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Scroll all the way down. At the very end, you will find the option of delete account. Click on it. With that, you will get two options, pause my account and delete my account. If you would like to keep your account but not to be shown to others, you can pause your account instead. So click on this option of pause my account. This is similar to deactivating your account. With that, you have just paused your account. Now you can log out of your account. Click on the settings icon again, scroll all the way down and click on log out. So this way you can easily deactivate your Tinder account without deleting. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.